Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add different numbering list into same list in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add different numbering list into same line. At first, go to the home menu. Then select the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the text box, then draw a text box. Now we write any text. Now I am write some text. Then click inside the text box and select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Now we go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then we select the numbering drop down menu. We can see here many numbering list. Now you want to add any numbering list. Now I am select this. Now you want to change the numbering list in same number. Click right button and select the numbering option and choose another numbering. Now we can see we change numbering list in another into same numbering very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.